My husband's out of town for work. But look what arrived in the mail. The man surprised me. Woo! I get the new Emily palettes. Yeah. Hey everybody, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. I forgot to turn on that light. But anyway, so just so you guys know, my husband is amazing. Yeah. And he sent me the 2 palettes from the Emily Noel launched with Makeup Revolution or Revolution. Yeah, I don't have my contacts on, so I apologize if I can't see. But I also have a new foundation. It's a Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation that Tati keeps raving about. Sorry, grabbing scissors. And I said, maybe it's time to try new stuff. Like, I need new stuff. But yay! I'm so excited. He just did so well. So I'm gonna open these packages and I'll be back in a moment. Okay guys, so wow. I've just primed my face with the Wet n Wild face primer. I already had it in my collection, so why not? And then I just found that it squirted everywhere, so we're gonna, more is more, right? We're gonna put some underneath the eyes. As long as we don't put it in the eyes, we're good. Sorry about that. I didn't realize I didn't have all the lights on. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Nude Matte filter, or Nude Matte Ultra eyeshadow primer, and I just said that really backwards. Oops. So I always do my eyes first because I'm not that good. There's some people who can make their eyeshadow work without help. I can, but it looks a lot better when I wait. So we've all seen the palettes. I'm just going to use the Needs palette because I think I'm going to do a 4 looks 1 palette or a couple different looks 1 palette. This comes with a giant mirror. I am so grateful for that because, well, I don't have my glasses on. I can't see jack. So I am extremely grateful. All right, so let's do a look. What do you think? All right, so everything's primed and ready to go. I'm going to use the color Peace as my transition. It's nearly my skin tone this time of year. Moving my color switch thingy. I'm going to go in with the color Faith. In the crease. I'm super not creative. I'm going to mix in a little Hope as well. What I like about this so far is it blends out quite nicely. I think I'm going to use some of the Passion color. In the outer corner, or outer third, outer V, whatever. Because why not? Just plain at this point. And I think I'm going to put Honesty in the center third, or center inner half. I know what I mean. Why not? If it looks bad, it washes off. Alright, I'm going to clean this off and I'm going to blend, blend, blend. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and try this Wet n Wild foundation and see how that works. We got the little thingy here. I do have a beauty sponge. That's what we'll go with. Beauty sponge. I'm going to get a sip of iced tea. Alright, and here we go. I'm still going to use this palette for the mirror and, well, the rest of my face because I can. And I'm going to use this with it because I don't know what to expect. It has a scent to it, and I can't quite place it. But it's not like the Wet n Wild liquid foundation. It's different. It could be the sponge thingy too. Just reminds me of something, almost like shampoo. That's what I'll go with. It smells like shampoo. Don't ask me what brand. I'm thinking something really affordable from my childhood. Wow. So far, I really like how that looks. Let me zoom you in and you can tell. I didn't realize you weren't zoomed in. Not bad. But can you tell? That looks really good. I've never used a foundation quite like that. Now, oh, so close. Look at that. So stinking close. We're going to use this for concealing the under eye. Okay, now I'm going to set this with the Kindness color. It's kind of a cream color that I believe that is what it's supposed to be used for. And that's the Luxie foundation brush. I'm just cleaning that off, and I'm also going to use the blush in here, Joy. Drop something. I'm going to go ahead with and bronze and contour a little using the color Courage. Let's highlight with the color Gratitude. I am assuming that pretty much everyone in the beauty community has seen the release video. Oh my gosh. I love that she named it all things that are important to her, like honesty, joy, courage, kindness, peace, love, passion, hope, faith, and gratitude. And I think that tells us a lot about Emily Noel 83 and her as an individual, and I am so happy to see this release from her. And I really like how this turned out. So the lip, I gloss I went with is the Infallible Pro Matte Gloss in the color Fair Attraction. Here I am. So, if you guys like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Until tomorrow, guys. We'll see y'all later. Bye.